Here I've got OnePlus 60 and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then find and select the display. Here we have to scroll down and pick wallpapers. Now it's time to select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from, so it can be one of your photos or shot on OnePlus. So let me select, for example, this one. As you can see here, you can also change the lock screen. It can be the same or some other. Let me select maybe this one. And now, once the changes are made, just tap on save. Now, as you can see, they've been applied, so both your home screen and also the lock screen has been updated. So that's it. Now you can change your wallpaper whenever you want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.